Hiking into Fiery Furnace. This is a wilderness area, the only wilderness area in Arches that they allow hiking, but they heavily regulate it. I think only about 70 people a day max can hike in here. And I was lucky enough to get one of the permits. So yeah, let's go into it. Alright, this is not a record while you do it hike. Alright, trail goes up there. This place is nuts. I don't know if my knee could handle it. It started screaming. So the trail goes that way. There's a little viewpoint at this dead end. We'll go check that out first. Look at this place. The sheerness of these walls comes off. Oh, cool. See that rock? Imagine that won't be there forever. It's already hanging off. I'm gonna trust today is not the day that it will fall, because I'm going right under it. Truly the only place in this national park that I've had peace and quiet. Not a soul. I think there's only one or two other people with a permit here right now. This is beautiful. I should not be doing this on my knee, but here I am. I'm only showing the easy portions because sketchy portions are a little too scary. And this place is a maze. It's so easy to just get lost. This third time in like half a mile, walked into a dead end. I was like, huh, I guess the trail doesn't go through here. Yeah, like, does it continue that way? Does it go up that way? That's the kind of stuff I'm hiking through. Alright, over and out. This trail is not fat people accessible. Oh lordy, I'm gonna die here. This trail was a fail. I got to a place where I just couldn't climb up. I learned I'm going backwards from the popular way, and I see why. I'm sure there are people who could get up that, but I couldn't. I saw people sliding down without a problem. Yeah, fun times. But it is beautiful. I mean, I got away from people. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it for a bit. I've been too anxious while hiking this, while finding the trail. Where is the trail? Am I still on the trail? Can I do the trail? Rock climbing. Okay, let me not exaggerate. Some scrambling, which I'm not that good at. With a bad knee, it's even worse. Yeah. I'm gonna try to go the other way. A little bit on the other side of the trail and see if it's a little easier, just so I can see a little more. But that was a dead end for me. There was no way. Yeah. Anyways, guys, where does the trail go? If you guessed everywhere, you're right. This trail is everywhere. Anyways, I'm gonna take 5 minutes and enjoy this. Over and out. Alright guys, so when I saw how close I was to finishing the trail, I just decided to go the other way in the loop. I'm gonna find that rock that stumped me, touch it, and just come back. So I'm finding fire furnace place. Route finding here, it is quite tricky. How easy it is to just get lost. It's nuts. If I didn't have a GPS, I'd be dead. And I don't think that's a joke either.